Hi, YouTube. This family going natural, and I want to welcome everybody that's transitioning, thinking about transitioning. Already did the big chop. About to do the big chop like today, because I know a lot of people been writing me saying I'm going today and getting it done. I want to welcome y'all to the family. Yes, I want to welcome all y'all to Family Going Natural. um, I'm doing this video so that everybody that's going natural, went natural. If y'all have any ideas, tips for people that's going through this big transition, leave a video response here. Leave your positive vibes, comments, suggestions. Um, because y'all, I mean, YouTube, y'all are so smart, and I have so many videos that have like good suggestions for little simple stuff. And if you have any idea to make this transition very easy for somebody, leave a comment under this video. And please, 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 please send some video response because this is a big decision, y'all. And they have so many women out here don't know the first thing, and a lot of people are giving them wrong advice. And I mean, come on now. We need to come on, yeah. We need to get together and give our community a good, positive, and good ideas on how to go through this safely, safely, y'all, and affordable. So, like I said, leave everything down below. Thank y'all so much, man. Y'all help my family. Y'all help us do this. I mean, YouTube, y'all are amazing. um the feedback we get, the comments, yeah, oh my god, I am so overwhelmed because this these well, these 2 days has been rough for me, and I'm telling y'all been holding me together. I'm serious, y'all been holding me together, and I love y'all for it. I love the emails y'all sending me. Thank y'all, thank you, thank you, thank you.